When it comes to intelligence among animals, we often think of primates, elephants, or maybe even dolphins. But lurking beneath the waves lies a creature whose intelligence is nothing short of astounding. Meet the orca, also known as the killer whale. And today, we are diving deep into what makes these marine creatures some of the smartest animals on the planet. They say that only legends know the true depth of the ocean. Well, today, we're diving into the depths of knowledge with this orca. Are you ready to embark on a journey through the brilliant mind of one of nature's most intelligent creatures? Welcome to Wild Peak 92. In the vast expanse of the ocean, where sunlight fades to darkness and silence echoes, there exists a creature that not only navigates this hidden realm, but does so with a cunning that rivals the brightest minds on land. This is the orca. Known by many as the killer whale, these marine marvels are not merely inhabitants of the deep. They are its thinkers, its strategists, and its problem solvers. Let's start with teamwork, because nobody succeeds alone. Imagine if each member of your team had a unique skill, and together you could accomplish amazing things. That's exactly how orcas operate when hunting. These whales exhibit an extraordinary ability to work together in groups, utilizing a strategy known as wave riding. This technique involves multiple orcas creating a wall of waves that pushes their unsuspecting prey, seals, towards the surface of the water. From there, a fellow orca is waiting to snatch the seal before it can escape. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance, a testament to their collective intelligence. But teamwork isn't just about hunting. It's about caring for each other too. When a baby orca is born, it doesn't just enter a family, it enters a community. All the females in the pod help raise the young, teaching them everything from finding food to recognizing danger. In fact, male orcas stay in their birth pod for life, while females leave to join another pod, bringing new skills and knowledge back to their home group. This exchange of ideas keeps the orca community thriving. Orcas aren't just good at working with others, they're also masters of individual brilliance. Have you ever played hide and seek? For orcas, hide and seek is a serious business. When they're not hunting, they engage in mock battles, chasing and hiding from one another. This isn't just fun and games. It's a way for them to hone their hunting skills, perfect their stealth tactics, and test their speed. In the wild, these skills are essential for survival. Now let's talk about something orcas do really well: exploring and adapting. If there's anything new in their environment, you can bet an orca pod will investigate. Changes in the tides, new sounds, or even the presence of a novel object sparks their curiosity. And they don't just observe, they interact, pushing and nudging things with their snouts to understand their surroundings better. It's like having a scientist in every pod. One of the most remarkable aspects of orca intelligence is their ability to adapt to different environments and prey. No matter where they are, they manage to thrive. For example, in the Pacific Northwest, orcas have developed specialized hunting techniques to catch salmon. They know exactly where and when to surface to snatch the slippery fish right off the top of the water. It's like they have an internal GPS guiding them to the best fishing spots. Orcas don't just eat fish, they eat other marine animals too. And they have clever ways of catching their prey. Take seals, for instance. Orcas know that seals hang out on floating ice sheets called ice floes. So the whales position themselves around the ice floe and start slapping the water with their tails. This creates loud noises and splashes that startle the seals. The disoriented seals panic and jump into the water, making it easier for the orcas to grab them. It's like they've cracked the code to cracking a seal. Stealth and precision go hand in hand. And when it comes to stealth, orcas are the undisputed champions of the sea. You see, they're not only smart, they're incredibly quiet for such large creatures. They move through the water with a grace and silence that would put any ninja to shame. Just imagine trying to spot a black panther moving through tall grass. It's not easy. And that's exactly how orcas approach their meals. They patiently stalk their prey, keeping an eye on their target while staying out of sight. When the time is just right, they strike with lightning speed and precision, grabbing their prey before it even realizes what's happened. This combination of patience, strategy, and swift action makes orcas some of the most successful hunters in the ocean. And here's the cherry on top. Orcas don't just rely on brute strength or sheer speed to get their food. They use their brains. These marine mammals have the ability to distinguish between different types of fish just by listening to their sounds. That's right, they eavesdrop on their prey, figuring out where to find the tastiest and most nutritious meals. Talk about a smart way to dine. Orcas have a knack for being playful, not just with their food, but with each other too. Ever seen a dog play with its food before gobbling it up? Well, orcas do something similar. Sometimes they toss fish in the air and catch them. Other times, they spin in circles with a fish in their mouth. It's like they're doing a little dance just for the joy of it. But don't be fooled by their seemingly carefree attitude. These playful antics are also a way for orcas to learn. They're figuring out the best way to hunt, the most entertaining way to pass the time, and the coolest tricks to impress their podmates. There's an old saying, curiosity killed the cat. But for orcas, curiosity seems to be the driving force behind their success. They're naturally inquisitive creatures, always wanting to know more about their surroundings. This curiosity leads them to explore new areas, test out different behaviors, and learn about the world around them. Because of their inquisitive nature, orcas avoid becoming bored and instead keep their minds active and engaged. Speaking of avoiding boredom, orcas are highly adaptable creatures. They can thrive in various environments and quickly adjust to changes in their surroundings. This adaptability allows them to exploit new food sources, navigate different habitats, and overcome unexpected challenges. In essence, orcas don't just roll with the punches. They anticipate them and prepare accordingly. If you thought all that was impressive, wait until you hear this. Orcas have been observed stealing food from one another. This behavior showcases their intelligence, assertiveness, and strategic thinking. The orca that successfully steals the food has demonstrated cleverness and dominance. The stolen food itself might have been hard-earned, adding to the value of the theft in the eyes of the orcas. Stealing, in this context, becomes a testament to the orca's problem-solving skills and understanding of their environment and social dynamics. Orcas are truly the kings of the ocean. Their intelligence, adaptability, problem-solving skills, and unique hunting strategies make them the true rulers of the seas. These magnificent creatures continue to amaze us with their brilliance, reminding us that nature's wonders never cease to astound. As we've journeyed through the brilliant mind of the orca, I hope you've come to appreciate these incredible creatures as much as I do. Their intelligence, adaptability, problem-solving skills, and unique hunting strategies make them the true rulers of the seas. But our journey through the animal kingdom doesn't end here. We've barely scratched the surface of the wonders that surround us. There are countless other species, each with their own unique abilities and adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environments. So what can you do to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come? Well, first and foremost, spread the word. Share the amazing things you've learned about orcas with your friends and family. Let them experience the awe and wonder that these creatures inspire in you. You never know who you might convert into an orca enthusiast. And now it's time to dive into the next chapter of your wildlife learning journey. Explore more fascinating animal facts and embark on exciting adventures that bring the wonders of the natural world right to your fingertips. Click the link below to subscribe to our channel and become part of our community of curious minds and nature lovers. Together, we can protect and preserve the beauty of our planet and all its inhabitants. Don't forget to like this video for more amazing wildlife content. And you can follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes glimpses and a sneak peek into the world of wildlife wonders. As we bid adieu to orcas for now, remember the lessons they've taught us about resilience, adaptability, and the power of community. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep protecting our planet's treasures. After all, we're all part of this incredible ecosystem, and it's our responsibility to ensure its wonders are enjoyed by generations to come. So go forth, dear viewer, and may your thirst for knowledge and love for nature guide your path.